Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress with Godaddy. First, you will need to purchase a Godaddy hosting plan and a domain name. Godaddy offers various hosting options, including specialized managed WordPress hosting, which simplifies the setup process. Once your hosting is active, you can easily install WordPress directly from your Godaddy account dashboard. This typically involves just a few clicks, guiding you through the initial configuration steps to get your site ready. After installation, the next step is to access your WordPress dashboard. You can usually find a direct link within your Godaddy account or by typing your domain name followed by /wpadmin in your browser. Use the username and password you created during installation to log in. The dashboard is your control center, allowing you to manage all aspects of your website. Take a moment to explore the menus and update basic settings like your site title and tagline. Now for the exciting part, customizing your WordPress site. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to instantly change your site's look and feel. You can browse and install themes directly from your dashboard. Next, enhance functionality by adding plugins for things like security, SEO, or contact forms. Remember to create compelling pages and posts, and organize your content with custom menus and widgets to provide a great user experience. With your site customized and content added, it is almost time to launch. Before going live, thoroughly review all pages, posts, and settings to ensure everything is perfect. Check for responsiveness across different devices, like mobile phones and tablets. Once you are satisfied, you can make your site public. Remember, ongoing maintenance is crucial. Regularly back up your site and keep WordPress, themes, and plugins updated to ensure security and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.